Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to have an example of how to solve a comprehension. So first of all what we have to do is to read the paragraph. Let's begin. The seasonal problem of water taps running dry is plaguing most of our major cities. Spreading. With the bigger rivers flowing in trickles and ponds and wells reduced to clay pits. Village women in remote areas have to fetch every drop of water for drinking, cooking, washing, and so on across large distances. This has only worsened a perennial problem, that of widespread pollution of water, rendering it unfit for human consumption. The monsoons and the attendant floods will not solve this problem. The Delhi administration is seriously worried about the threat to civic health posed by the polluted waters of the Jamuna. So here if you see some words which you do not understand the meaning of, you can just guess the meaning. As I told you, plaguing most of our major cities means going to or spreading, with the bigger rivers flowing in trickles and ponds and wells. So ponds and wells are very common, and trickles is attached to it. So you can also guess that trickles also means short water bodies, reduced to clay pits where only clay is there, pits water is not there. And village women in remote areas which are very far away from the city or the other facilities, to fetch every drop of water for drinking, cooking, washing, and so on. Worsened, it's from worse. Perennial, it can have a meaning like very dangerous or very continuous for a long time. So you can guess the meaning in this way. Two new tanks are to be set up to treat sewage. At present, only 60% of the 200 million gallons of the city sewage receives any kind of treatment before it is dumped into the river, which supplies water not only to the city but to innumerable towns and villages downstream. So this is the problem in the paragraph, that how untreated sewage is thrown into water bodies, and that water is supplied to many cities and towns. The Ganga, the Jamuna, the Kaveri, in fact, all our important rivers serving many urban conglomerations are fast becoming a major source of disease. A comprehensive bill introduced in Parliament recently envisages that the setting up of the central and state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution, but it will obviously take some time before legislation is passed and effectively implemented. Meanwhile, the problem continues to swell. According to a survey of 8 developing countries conducted a couple of years ago, 90% of all child deaths were due to waterborne diseases. It is the same unchanged story today. In a country like India, a burgeoning population continuing to use the open countryside as a lavatory means that with every dust storm and rain, human excreta laden with germs and parasite spores find their way to ponds, shallow wells, and even the streams and rivers. Only 18% of the rural folk have access to potable water. So these are some of the problems we are facing in these days. The paragraph tells us. Now let's see the first question. Which seasonal problem plagues our major cities? You can get its answer in just first line. The seasonal problem of water taps running dry is plaguing most of our major cities. So you can underline this once you have got the answer, and you can write it later when you have found all the question and all the answers. Next is, how do the women fulfill need of water? So we have the answer here. Women in remote areas have to fetch every drop of water for cooking, drinking, washing, and so on across large distances. So this sentence we have, but when you are framing answer, go like the sense of the question. How do the women fulfill need of water? We would say women fulfill need of water by fetching every drop of water from in remote areas, from a very far distances, or some you can take some words from that sentence too. How has water pollution become a health hazard? How is it very dangerous for our health? For health, this is there. At present, only 60% of the 200 million gallons of the city's sewage receives any kind of treatment before it is dumped into the river, which supplies water not only to the city but to innumerable towns and villages downstream. So this is a very long sentence. This is only for 1 mark, so you can brief it up. Like, the untreated sewage is dumped into the water. So we can brief it up by saying that untreated sewage is thrown into river, which supplies water not only to cities but to towns and villages. So it causes health hazard. Next is, what does the bill introduced in Parliament envisages? So here we have a comprehensive bill introduced in Parliament recently envisages that the setting up of central and state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution. So we would say it envisages the setting up of central and state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution. Will not be required to start it from the beginning. We have it in the paragraph. No, we would just write the words which are sufficient for our answers. Next is, how can sewage system be improved? So how can it be improved? So we have the answer by setting up, again the same answer would be there, by setting up of a central and state boards for the prevention and control of water pollution, this sewage system be improved. Next is, what has the survey of developing countries revealed? Developing countries conducted a couple of years ago a survey, and the answer would be 90% of all child deaths were due to waterborne diseases. So we would start from the question, that is, the survey reveals, or the survey has revealed, that 90% of all child deaths were due to waterborne diseases. How is human excreta a major source of disease in India? Because human excreta laden with germs and parasite spores get mixed into the ponds, shallow wells, and even the streams and rivers, and then that water is supplied to many cities and towns. Which new threat is the writer talking about? The new threat the writer talking about is that you can have the answer related to lavatory. We had that the cities and the towns are becoming lavatory because of this water pollution. So here it is, the open countryside as a lavatory. So lavatory means an area especially for toilets. So this is the problem for all the cities and villages where this kind of water is supplied. Find out a word which means countless, countless, innumerable. Okay, sometimes you are given the para also, so it becomes easier for you. And then complete. So any word which means same as complete. So we have the word comprehensive, which means complete. So this was the paragraph, and now I'm going to send you the second paragraph, second passage. You will have to read that and send me the answers. And for you, these two words, countless, then innumerable, complete, comprehensive, these are the words you will have to add in your dictionary. Have a good day.